Now we will show the how will derivative, that is differentiate of the modulus function. How will differentiate of modulus function? Derivative of modulus function. The modulus function is, what is the modulus function? Now first of all we define the modulus function. Mod of x equal to x when x is positive and is minus x when x is negative. That is, in the mod the value is positive, then this will be positive. If the value in the modulus function is negative, then value of this will be minus this value. Now this type of sum we will show here. Question number 1. The derivative of ddx of mod of x minus 2 plus mod of x plus 2 at the point x equal to minus 1, what will be? So, for finding the derivative of this modulus function, first of all we define this modulus function. Actually, derivative or integration, for finding the derivative or integration, this type of modulus function, this is more important. For the modulus function will be expressed in terms of normal function. That is, first of all we find this modulus function will be expressed in terms of normal function. That is, for modulus function, defining this modulus function, we know the first of all we find the critical points, and here the critical points are x minus 2 equal to 0, that is x equal to 2, and x plus 2 equal to 0, and x equal to minus 2. These two critical points, minus 2 and 2, will be plotted in the number line. Now draw this number line. Plus infinity, this will be minus infinity. Now these critical points are critical points will be plotted on this number line and ascending order, and like this is minus 2 and this will be 2. So this modulus function will be in the number line, it's 3 interval, because from minus infinity to minus 2 and minus 2 to 2 and 2 to infinity. This is the more important. This is the interval from minus infinity to minus 2 and minus 2 to 2 and 2 to infinity, after plotting the critical points on this number line. This is 3 intervals, and this is minus infinity to minus 2, that is value of x minus infinity to minus 2, that is value of x less than minus 2. Like when value of x less than minus 2, like the value of x is minus 3, which is less than minus 2. So minus 3 is, if we put this in this interval, then this will be minus 3, minus 2, minus 5, that is in mod, my negative value is mod, that is this will be minus of minus 2, and when minus 3 will be put in this mod, then this will be also negative, that is minus 3 plus 2 minus 1, this will be also negative. Therefore this will be minus x plus 2 minus x minus 2 equal to minus 2x. Okay, this will be minus 2 because plus 2 minus 2 will be cancelled. So this is the value of minus 2 in the interval minus infinity to minus 2. But when this interval that is value of x lie between minus 2 and 2, that is suppose the value of x minus 2, you can say 0 or 1, any value. But if we take 0 is very easy value which is for calculation, so take the value 0. Okay, so if 0 take, then 0 put this modulus function, then this will be minus 2, this is also negative, so minus of x minus 2, and 0 if we put in this modulus, then this will be positive, 0 plus 2 plus 2, that is positive. So this will be plus of x plus 2, and this will be after simplification minus x plus 2 plus x plus 2 equal to 4, because minus x plus x is cancelled. And now, so this is this value 4 will be in the interval minus 2 to 2, and when we will go this interval, that is 2 to 2 less than x less than infinity, and like one such of value is greater than 2, like 3 or 4 or 5, any value, like 3, take value 3 which is greater than 2, and this 3 put in this interval 3 minus 2, that is 1 which is positive. Therefore this will be plus of x minus 2, and this 3 if we put here also, then this will be also plus, that is plus of x plus 2, that come 2x, that is will this modulus function will be completely defined in the number line, that is minus infinity to infinity in the 3 intervals, that is minus infinity to minus 2, value is minus 2x, and minus 2 to value minus 2 to 2, this interval the value of modulus function is 4, and value of modulus function is also 2x in the interval 2 to infinity. So therefore this will be the minus 2x, this will be the 4, and this will be the 2x, 3 values of the function in the intervals, this interval. Now this is the value of fx, given function fx, and now will be derivative f dash x will be minus 2, and this will be 0, and this will be 2. Therefore the question was derivative of mod of x minus 2 plus x minus 2, x plus 2 plus mod of x minus 2 at x equal to, now the value of at x equal to 5 will be, what is the value? Now 5 will be, because this 5 at the point x equal to 5 will be 5 lie between minus infinity to minus 2, no. This 5 lie between minus 2 to 2, no. This 5 is lie between 2 to infinity, which is greater than 2, so derivative of this function will be 2, and only ddx of derivative of mod of x plus 2 plus mod of x minus 2 will be without any value, without at any point, this will be minus 2x equal to 4, and this will be 2x, and minus 2x in the interval when less than x less than minus 2, that is from minus infinity to minus 2, and this will be in minus 2 less than x less than 2, and this is in 2 less than x less than infinity. And suppose minus 2 less than equal to, that will be not equal to, this will be equal to, okay, minus 2 to 2 and 2 to infinity. So this is the value of this modulus functions in general. this is a particular at any point at x equal to 5, because x equal to 5 lie between this interval, that is this here, this interval. So this will be the 2, because derivative will be 2. This is the type of modular derivative of modulus function. Next, integration or limit, continuity, differentiability, all others will be shown after later will be shown. And this is much for today.